Okay, so I'm gonna have you try something. Sometimes when a website can't load content like that, it's because you need to just like clear your browsing history because it's just overloaded. So you'll just open up a blank tab in Chrome, and if you're not using Google Chrome, well, if you're on your Chromebook, you kind of don't have a choice, but make sure it is Chrome. You're gonna come up and click these three dots in the top right corner, and then you'll click History. And then you're going to come over here and click clear browsing data. And then I would you at least do the last 7 days, but you might want to do the last 4 weeks or even all time just to like clean it out to make sure we're good. And then you can just clear all of these. Let me check this one really quick. Yeah, you should be fine just with basic. Sorry, I should have checked before. So just leave it on basic. I would do at least the last 4 weeks and then click clear data. It should take not too long. If it takes a long time, that means it's like really full. So give it a second, but it should be pretty much instant. And then try the process again. Let me know if this still doesn't help. Um, yeah, let me know. Hopefully that helps. Sorry about that, Brooklyn. I don't mean for this to be such a hassle. My bad.